Why are you seeing Teslas everywhere? Ever get stuck at a light and find yourself surrounded by sleek, silent Teslas? Maybe you've seen futuristic charging stations popping up, or even heard a neighbor raving about their Tesla's acceleration. This electric car company, started by tech entrepreneur Elon Musk, has become a major force on the road. But what exactly makes Teslas so popular? There's no single answer. Teslas appeal to a range of drivers for a variety of reasons. Let's delve into the main factors that have rocketed Tesla to the top of the electric vehicle market. 1. Tech on wheels. Step inside a Tesla and you're greeted by a minimalist interior dominated by a massive central touchscreen. This isn't just for entertainment, it controls almost everything, from climate to navigation to even the sunroof. Regular software updates mean your Tesla is constantly getting new features and bug fixes, feeling more like a high-end phone than a traditional car. For tech enthusiasts, this constant evolution is a major draw. Teslas boast features like self-driving capabilities, still under development with limitations, voice commands, and even a dog mode that keeps the interior cool for your furry friend. 2. Lightning speed, without the lightning. Forget gas-guzzling muscle cars. Electric vehicles, especially Teslas, are known for their instant torque, which translates to neck-snapping acceleration. The lack of a traditional engine means no hesitation, just pure power the moment you press the pedal. This unexpected thrill is a major selling point for many drivers. Tesla's performance figures are impressive, with some models boasting 0 to 60 miles per hour times of under 3 seconds. That kind of speed used to be reserved for supercars, but Teslas offer it in a practical, family-friendly package. 3. Going green and saving green. Environmental consciousness is a growing trend, and Teslas are a clear choice for eco-friendly drivers. Electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, meaning you're not directly contributing to air pollution. With rising gas prices, the ability to charge your car at home with electricity is also a significant financial perk. Government incentives for electric vehicles further sweeten the deal. Depending on your location, you may qualify for tax breaks or rebates when purchasing a Tesla. While the initial sticker price can be high, the long-term savings on gas and maintenance can be substantial. 4. The cool factor. Tesla has a certain undeniable coolness. They're associated with innovation, luxury, and a forward-thinking approach to transportation. Celebrities like Leonardo DiCaprio and George Clooney have been spotted driving Teslas, further adding to the brand's allure. Owning a Tesla makes a statement. It shows you're environmentally conscious, tech-savvy, and appreciate a unique driving experience. There's a sense of exclusivity that comes with owning a Tesla, especially compared to more common car brands. 5. The ever-expanding Tesla universe. Tesla isn't just about cars. They're building a whole ecosystem of electric transportation. The company's supercharger network allows for long-distance travel with strategically placed charging stations. Tesla is also developing solar panels and home battery storage systems, creating a potential one-stop shop for clean energy solutions. This holistic approach to sustainability is appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Tesla is seen as a company pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and that forward-thinking vision is a big part of the brand's appeal. Beyond the hype. It's important to remember that Teslas aren't perfect. The range on a single charge can be a concern for some drivers, especially those with long commutes. The reliance on a growing charging network can also be a sticking point for those in rural areas. Additionally, Tesla has faced criticism regarding quality control and autopilot safety features. So, are Teslas right for you? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not a Tesla is right for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you prioritize cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly practices, and a thrilling driving experience, then a Tesla may be the perfect car. However, if you need a long-range vehicle for frequent road trips or live in an area with limited charging infrastructure, you might want to consider other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.